Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to change your Google Chrome avatar to a custom picture. So go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead into downloading, or basically double check if my Google Chrome needs to be updated, or if you haven't downloaded the Google Chrome, just go ahead and do. And afterwards, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go back to my screen and go ahead to my browser. And if you want to change your avatar, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and in Chrome, click the profile icon at the top right corner, and then to edit the profile you're currently using, click more under the three dots icon, then click settings. Under you in Google, click customize your Chrome profile, and then enter your new name, choose or upload a new avatar, and or add a theme. So basically that's it. All right, if you want a quick demonstration on how you can do it, you can see right here, three dots, go ahead to the settings, and basically you're gonna be able to see in the settings you, and basically you can customize a profile picture from, let me just go ahead right here, you in Google, and you're gonna see the avatar icon. You can change it from there. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and we will definitely see you in the next one.